my welding students this year are making some devices for the new Washington Square welding shop. They are making partitions for the welding booths. We're making 29 of those for the 26 welding booths that will be in the new building. And we're also making welding positioners for each booth. So the students get real world experience. They get to use their welding skills to do something that's going to last for maybe generations.
This is going to be awesome, being able to be a part of what it's going to be, and moving from this building to the new one is going to be fantastic. So knowing that all of us here can kind of help be a part of that, and making the booths and the walls and all types of stuff is kind of a big thing.
It's kind of like having a real job where you have a real deadline to do, which is getting me prepared for the real world.
And I think that that's what we always strive to do, is to have students do real things so they can see what the welding world is all about.
It's amazing to have the experience, you know, working in this kind of environment. It doesn't even really feel like a class. It feels like I'm like at work doing my job. So it really feels great to know that I'm learning that kind of experience before I'm even out of school. So it's really nice to know that there are deadlines, that people are depending on us. So that just makes us more inspired to get that job done and to get it done right.
Our students. Even though that I'm leaving it behind, I think it's still awesome that I can help make all these things. And even though I'm going to be off and going wherever else after high school, I can still, you know, go to the building, go see what they've done with it, and I can go to the welding shop, see what got put in there, and see all the things that I got to help make.